Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Geometry Dimension. That's right, guys, and we're going to see if we have what it takes to Geometry through this Geometry Dimension, I guess, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 blocks of gold. You want to go ahead and place 5 of those on the ground, just like that right there. Then you're going to need fur light blue wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your blocks of gold, guys, just like that right there. After you have done that, you want to go ahead, jump on up, grab your blocks of gold, and then place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 light blue wool right on top. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down, son of a building block, that really hurt. Now you want to place 5 blocks of gold on this side, then 5 blocks of gold in the middle, guys, and then 1 light blue wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down, guys, and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow! Don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. But now it's time to head into the Geometry Dimension to get my dash on, guys, because I really like dashing. I think everybody likes dashing, and oh my god, wow, this is amazing. Oh my god, although that guy's kind of scary, he's really scary. Look at those lava eyes and that mouth. Am I supposed to jump through that mouth? Oh my god, guys, that's really scary. Like, could you imagine if lava just like came down from his mouth and just like burnt me to a crisp? I would look like burnt toast. That's what I would look like, guys. I would look like burnt toast. I don't want to look like burnt toast. But let's go ahead. Let's spawn my pig. And oh my god, really a pig butt? I don't want to see a pig's butt. What, that's all I'm going to be seeing? Because you're going to beat me in this race? No way, bro. No way, bro. I'm going to beat you. I'm definitely going to beat him. Watch this, guys. I can do this so fast. I can do it with my eyes closed. Watch. I'm doing it with my eyes closed. Oh my god. Bad idea. I think my pig might have pushed me. I think he definitely pushed me, guys. Let's go ahead and let's try to do this faster than my pig. I can do this, guys. Watch. Look at how fast I'm moving through this, guys. I'm really good. I'm really good so far, guys. I don't want to get too braggy right now because I might actually end up falling and really hurt myself. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, guys. Now all we got to do is jump through this guy's mouth. I know I can do it. Could you imagine if lava would have came down on me? Look, pig. Look, pig. All you're seeing now is my butt. All you're seeing now is my tushy. That's right. Let's go ahead. Let's make this jump onto this small piece of glass. Oh my god, we actually made it. Oh my god, but I didn't make it to that one. Who thought it was a good idea to jump on a small piece of glass? That is not a good idea. That is not a good idea at all. But I'm actually pretty good at this ladder stuff, guys. If I can just keep from getting caught up in the cobwebs. Watch. Oh my god, I was going to do that like a pro. But then as soon as I jumped, I got caught up in Spider-Man's cobwebs. I just jumped too high, guys. But watch. Watch. I'm going to do this real fast. All it is up and down movements, guys. Up and down movements, and boom, we made it. Now all we gotta do is jump onto this, guys. Oh my god, if we can ever do it. Let's go ahead and try to do this, guys. I know I can do it. Watch. Boom. There we go. Now we just gotta crouch down, guys, and then go around this, and then uncrouch, and then jump right there like that. And oh my god, there's another one of these guys. You know what? Maybe he's really sad because he don't want to eat me. He don't want to eat anybody. He just wants to sit and he wants to cry about how he has to eat tasty, delicious people all day. Although that was probably a bad idea making him cry, because now if I don't make it into the mouth hole, I am going to die. So let's go ahead and do this. I made it. Thank God I made it, guys, because I would have been really crispy if I wouldn't have. But I think now I got to try to make it over there to that ladder. But there's a lot of lava around here, guys. So hopefully I do not mess this up. Hopefully I do not mess this up, guys. Let's make this. Oh, I made it. I made it. Yes, guys. Now I got to make it. Oh, this is going to be hard, guys. It's going to be hard. We made that as well, guys. Now I just got to go ahead and I got to try to jump over to that diamond block. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh my god, I totally overjumped that. I totally overjumped that. What? You're disappointed in me because I didn't make it to the diamond block, Geometry Dash Man? That ain't my fault, Geometry Dash, man. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and do it for him. I'm going to go ahead and do it for him so I can be accepted in the Geometry Dash Elites, guys. So let's go ahead and let's make this for Geometry Dash, man. Oh my god, I was on it. I was totally on it. And look, he was getting happy. He was jumping up and down for me in happiness, but I just didn't make it. I totally messed that one up. Let's go ahead and let's try to do this again, guys. Usually the second time is the best time to do it. So let's go ahead and do it. Oh my gosh. Wow, I was on it, guys. I was totally on it that time. You know what? Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. I'm definitely going to make it the third time around, guys. So let's go ahead and let's do this. Let's go ahead and make this absolutely amazing jump with our diamond surge, guys. I know we can do it. I definitely know we can do it. Oh my god, I'm not even upset. I'm not even upset because I totally overjumped it. I totally overjumped it, guys. But you know what? I'm going to make it this time. I'm definitely going to make it this time for you, Geometry Dash, man. You can just count this as an early Christmas present for yourself. Let's go ahead and let's do this, guys. Oh my god, I made it! Son of a building block! Oh my god, wow, I totally made that. I totally made that. Wow. You know what it is, Geometry Dash, man? You just keep looking at me, and I get nervous when people look at me. You know what? I'm going to do it this time. Since he ain't looking at me, guys, I'm not going to be as nervous, and I'm definitely going to make it this time, guys. I'm definitely going to make it this time over there to that diamond block. So let's go ahead and do this. I made it! Oh my god, I made it! Oh my god, that makes me so mad, guys. I actually made it. Wow, I cannot believe that, guys. I cannot believe I actually made it, and then I fell off. Wow, that is crazy. Let's go ahead and do this. I know I can do it, guys. I know deep down inside me I can do it. Oh my god, guys. Wow, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and build up to it. I'm just going to go ahead and build up to it and jump on it, guys. You know what? Forget this stuff. Boom, there we go. Now we've made it. Now we made it. What do you think? What do you think, Geometry Dash, man? What, you think I'm cheated? You're not going to let me in the Geometry Dash Elites? Wow, I cannot believe this. I made it! Everybody's seen me make it. I should definitely be in the Geometry Dash Elites. Yeah! I'm one of the best Geometry Dash guys ever. Just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll know. Yeah, he's not listening to me, guys. He don't think I did it for real. But you know what? Who cares what he thinks, guys? If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!